How to put an NGL link on a Facebook story with music. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to put an NGL link on a Facebook story with music. To get started, just open the NGL app on your phone. Now, it's time to copy your NGL account link. Simply find your account link and tap on it to copy it. After copying your NGL account link, tap on Share. They will then guide you on how to add the link to your story on Instagram. Simply follow their instructions and tap 3 times on Next Step to share it. Tap on the Share on Instagram. Now swipe up and tap on Link. Then, paste the NGL link that you copied. You can also adjust the link if you'd like. Now, swipe up and tap on Music to add the perfect song to your story. You can select the song you want and even choose the specific part you'd like to include. Now tap on the Share button. Tap on the Share. Now tap on Share to share your story on Facebook. As you can see, our story has been shared on both Instagram and Facebook. Now I'm heading over to Facebook to show you. Our NGL link story has been shared on Facebook with some awesome music. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified for new videos. See you in the next one.